Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to backward channel crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope I will be may almighty keep you happy, keep you home and help to them. May you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet baby frocks designs, summer collection, beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing colorful crochet baby frock designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show you people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs. Got your channel in the first time, you can also buy to the market. About such designs, you can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. Well, inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and share to someone else in the community. Similar designs for the same. This type of designs is very popular in the country and Gulf are such color. So friends, today they are amazing very lovely designs. Don't miss any video on our channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion writing design. Let's see, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.